Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 7 of the August Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, letting me know what you think about today's problem. This morning I did okay on this morning is of course in New York. I did okay on the bi-weekly contest, so didn't do that super well, but did pretty okay. Finally ended a bad streak, hopefully, so we'll see what happens. But another contest is in about 2 hours, so we'll see how this goes. And if you're doing it, good luck for you, to you, for you, whatever. Anyway, today's problem is 1220 count vowels permutation. Okay, so give me a task again. How many strings that? Okay, so this is a combinatorial problem. The first thing we do is mod. Okay. So now we just have to see, right? So A can be followed by E, only followed by E. Okay. E can only follow by A and I. Okay, so you have all these rules. And basically the idea, and you can write it in a couple of ways. What is N? Let me see for a second. N is only 2 times 10 to the 4th, but actually you can also, if N was much bigger, you could also do matrix explanation, which I would not exponentialization. I don't know how to spell it. Okay, not gonna lie. I think that's right. I don't think that's right though. Is what I meant to say. Okay, here exponentiation. But that's not what we're going to do today, because that's kind of a high machinery type thing, and it's much smaller. So yeah. So then here we just have to write out the rules, right? And of course you can have an array of element n, but we only care about the number before that, right? Or yeah, the characters before that. So then here we go. Maybe we have a current is equal to 1 times 5, meaning 1 for a e I o u, yeah. And then we have a previous, but we'll just have a previous as well. I just say previous is current, doesn't matter. But yeah, and then now we just go one at a time, right? And technically we want to start at 1 because yeah, because wait, no, this is right, I think. Wait, is it? So if n is 1, we're already done. N is 2, we're also done, which is no, I think this is good. Yeah, and then the idea here is just that, because the current already contains 1 iteration. Now you have the second iteration, and this is just kind of rule based, right? And we can do it one by one. So current, so we set current is equal to and then we just have to roll the, let's see. And here we kind of, I wouldn't say brute force, but just case analysis, right? Where we go, okay. Next character, next character is an A, right? And then what does that mean? That means that if this is an A, then current, I'm just going to use index 0, 1 for A, E, I, O, U, is equal to previous of, what can A follow by? A can be after U, A can be after a E and an I, right? So yeah, so we want to put this as an A. We can only put it behind the substrings or suffix. The last character is going to be a E, which is 1, plus an I, which is a 2, plus previous of 4 for U, right? This is me looking at this thing on the thing on the left just to keep track. And it seems to be okay. Anyway, and then now what happens? So next character is a E, which is a 1, sorry. And what can we have E? So that's after previous of 0 for an A, an I as well, because of the may not, and that's it actually, right? And then I, it's going to be everything. Wait, no, this was a little confusing. But I cannot follow an I, but it can be followed by Y or O. So that's what, E is 1 and then O is 3, right? O can follow only an I, so okay. Don't know if you can hear all the honking outside. I mean, you should, like, this is not that close to the window, but it's kind of loud. Maybe someone is like stuck right outside my window or something. But yeah, now we just face U, and U can follow an I or an O. Oh, did I mess this up? An O can, oh no, it can only follow an I, and then U can only follow an O and an I. So that's 2 and 3. And of course, the problem with these things is that it's very easy to mess up, as you can guess, just because, you know, you have to be really precise on this one. But at the very end, we just, okay, this is the number, right? So then, and this is exactly, right? So we don't have to worry about it, and then we just have to do sum of current mod. We also have to do previous is equal to current. And of course, we have to do mod things on all these things. That's fine. We're just going to run it real quick just because, you know, I know that this may have a chance of timing out actually, but how come the use test case then? Only because this numbers can be too big, but I just want to do a quick example to see if it's fast enough, or sorry, if it's correct enough. In Python, I could do this, and most of it is just lazy because I should just do this anyway, because I was going to do it in either case, so let's just do it. But I just want to see if my formulas are right, and it seems like it is right because probabilistically, you know, if they're wrong, it's not going to be off by like 1 or anything like that, because these things are like almost chaos theory, just like changes a lot. Cool. So this looks okay. So I think that's good. So let's give it a submit. Apparently I've done it twice before. Cool. They don't have that pop up anymore. It's been a while. 859-day streak, in case you're wondering. And yeah. What is this? This is going to be. What was I going to say? This is going to be linear time and constant space, because we only have 5, or you could say alpha space if you will, or of alpha space for a number of things in the alphabet. But yeah, and this is just dynamic programming. I did it. I guess you could say bottoms up with a space optimization. If you and you can check out my dynamic programming progression video if you want to learn more about how to get that, because you can also do this tops down by just being like, okay, right on the X index and the last character is an I, what can follow it or whatever, right? So that's basically the idea. So yeah, okay, I mean, I don't know why, I just want to double check. Anyway, that's all I have for this one. I guess I feel like I probably write this in a similar way, so I'm just curious what I did last time. So let's see. Yeah, okay. Oh, I just used variables names instead. I guess that's the same idea. And this time I just did the same thing. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have. So I'll see you later. If you're doing the contest later, good luck. Stay tuned if you like for me doing a bonus problem. At least I think I have time. I have 2 hours. So yeah, stay for an extra bonus problem if you want to, you know, practice a little bit more. But yeah. Thanks for being here. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.